Feeling like your passion has dimmed lately? Don't worry, this video is here to help you reignite that spark with practical tips and a natural supplement that can make a real difference. How low libido can affect your daily life. Strained relationships. A diminished libido can lead to tension and misunderstandings in relationships. Partners might feel rejected or disconnected, which can strain emotional bonds and lead to frustration or conflict. Reduced self-esteem. Experiencing low desire can negatively affect self-confidence. Individuals may feel less attractive or desirable, contributing to inadequacy and lower self-esteem. Increased stress levels. The stress and anxiety associated with low libido can affect overall well-being. Worrying about one's health can contribute to mental and emotional stress, impacting daily activities and productivity. Decreased enjoyment. A lower libido can reduce interest in once pleasurable activities. This shift can result in decreased fulfillment and joy in life, affecting personal happiness and overall quality of life. Best supplements for enhancing women's libido. When it comes to boosting libido in women, natural supplements can be incredibly effective. These supplements often contain ingredients that support hormonal balance, improve blood flow, and enhance overall vitality. One standout option in this category is Kamni Capsules. Crafted from purely natural herbs, Kamni Capsules are a safe choice for enhancing libido. They support wellness by improving energy levels and balancing hormones. With no reported side effects, Kamni Capsules offer a gentle yet effective way to revitalize health and overall well-being. Top herbs to supercharge female libido. Ras Sindoor. This mineral-based Ayurvedic ingredient is renowned for its powerful aphrodisiac effects. It boosts vigor by improving blood circulation and balancing hormonal levels, increasing vitality and desire. Nag Basma. Traditionally used to enhance libido, Nag Basma helps regulate hormonal balance and supports reproductive health. Its benefits extend to improving function and overall well-being. Lao Basma. Known for its energizing properties, Lao Basma addresses issues like anemia that can affect desire. Improving blood flow enhances oxygen supply to the reproductive organs, promoting increased libido. Bang Basma. This ingredient is vital in improving hormonal balance and stamina. It helps tackle dysfunction, supporting a healthier libido and reproductive health. Abrak Basma. Renowned for its rejuvenating effects, Abrak Basma supports fertility and libido. It enhances hormonal balance and overall reproductive system vitality. Expert tips for boosting female libido. Maintain a balanced diet. Eating various nutrient-rich foods can positively impact libido. Focus on including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to support overall health and hormonal balance. Regular exercise. Engaging in physical activity helps boost energy levels and improves blood circulation, enhancing desire. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to stay energized and improve mood. Manage stress. High stress levels can negatively affect libido. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to reduce stress and create a more balanced emotional state. Prioritize sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for maintaining a healthy libido. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to support hormone production and overall well-being. To effectively boost female libido, consider using Kamni Capsules consistently for 3 months alongside these home remedies. This approach can significantly enhance your results and support overall wellness. How to get Kamni Capsules. Kamni Capsules are an excellent choice for naturally enhancing libido with their blend of Ayurvedic herbs. For optimal results, use them consistently for 3 months. Purchase Kamni Capsules from ayurvedresearch.com to start improving your wellness naturally. If you liked this video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss the following video on choosing the best female libido enhancement supplements.